What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? I'm too excited. Like from the get go, I'm super excited. We still need just one subscriber for 1500, which is crazy. So yeah, finally we're about to get to that goal, bro. I'm sure we got it today. Probably get to like 1510 or like 1515 or something. So let's have a successful day here today, and yeah, we're starting a bit early. The internet is good. Let me check. The VPN is good. Internet's working perfect. Perfect. Oh, all good. That's a good day. That's a good Wednesday. Let's just go ahead and start, man. Let's get it rolling. I did not trade today, like beforehand. I did not take any trade within the 6 a.m. range. But yep, hello. What's up, Tall SMT? What's up? How are you doing, G? Tufi, hello. What's good? We're shortening, shortening you, bro. What's up? What's up? So yeah, I think I'm getting to that 1500 today. I still need one subscriber, so yeah, we're getting there 100%. So yeah, it's good to see that, bro. And wait, bro, my vision just got blurry. What the fuck? Holy shit! Wait. What the hell? Is this from their side or my side? What the fuck? I see everything blurry, man. What the fuck just happened? Holy shit! Wait. Guys, I see everything blurry. What the fuck? Holy shit! For a minute, bro, like my vision just got so blurry. I don't know what happened, man. Holy. Okay, we good. If that shit happens again, ah man, that shit was scary as fuck. I was like, what the fuck is going on with my eyes? I cannot see the candles. What is your background color? This white, and everything else is black to the side. So I don't know what happened there. Let me get my glasses, bro. Let me get my glasses. It's been a while I haven't worn my glasses. Like I have a protection glasses, but it's been like 2 months or so I haven't used them. Like occasionally, because I stay up so late. So sometimes, like from time to time, I do use them. Let me use them right now too. All right, we good to go. Let's see if the glasses are gonna make me smarter to take a good trade. So, um, that happens to me when I'm looking at the screen all day. But the problem is, I was not at the charts all day. I was not on my laptop the whole day. That's the issue. I was like, that's weird. Can still or profit. Hopefully, just losses, man. We see profit. Hello, what's up? What's up? Okay, let's continue. Let's get that rolling. What? So what I was really looking at, just this trade. Again, I did not take this one. I was just marking it out. But so far, looking at NQ, just really expanded to the lows. This is 45 minutes. Let's just go to the hourly. Ideally, just kind of trading away from the high of day. This is kind of that 2 a.m. high. We got a changing state here. We got another one here. So ideally, I just want to seek further continuations lower, like the daily. It's bearish. We'll say we're still just trading within this Tuesday's range, which is good. Just from the high. We don't have any SMTs here, but we have EC2 like on YM, which is good. And we also have, is it like a, not really. So ideally, I just want to go to the lows. Like NQ is the closest to the lows, so ideally I want to take NQ short. Like I want to take it to the lows. That would be a clean setup. If not, it would still be, I would still be open for longs because the daily still haven't really expanded. So either way, I would still be down to take trades on either long or short with the proper profile. But ideally, shorts. I'm leaning toward shorts. Especially that we're kind of forming the high of day off of a gap. And what I like is this. First high into the gap, we did not reverse. Then that next drive is going to cause price reverse, and that's what we got here, which is something I love to see. So just got that one. Looking at the AQ of the wick, which we did respect perfectly, and then price just started dumping lower. Oh, look at that. Now it just got better, bro. Have you 2-stage here. Wow. On ES. Wow, that's really clean. That's really clean. That's super clean. So probably could have traded something in here. Probably that second stage here. It was like a bullish SMT. Then it just got probably. Do we have an SMT here? Not really. Yeah, we do. Nope, we don't. Okay, so far what I want to see is just a continuation lower. If we manage to continue lower, I want to see. So since we just traded into the low of day, the current low of day, what do I want to see? Fair to manipulate to continue back into these levels here. Probably like Tuesday's low or current weekly low. That would be like the ideal scenario. Let me see, everything's working good on OBS. Y'all can hear the music. Y'all cannot hear the music. Okay, now you can hear the music. Now it's gonna be better. Okay, let me check the subscribers, bro. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, man. 1,499. Okay, so if you're new here, this is your first time tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe because we are about to hit our new goal for 1,500 subs, which is gonna be amazing. So when we get there, you guys can request a video. So I'll try to make a special video for you guys, so you can just go ahead and request any video that you guys want to see. It'll be fine. Yeah, because of 1,500 subs, we'll have a special video, 1,500 subs, and also when I get to 2K, then we'll post like another video. So, yep. If you guys haven't liked the live stream or you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. We still got, oh wow, 34 minutes for my session to start, which is really good. Okay, so what I was looking at, as I said, or there's another really clean profile, is the fact that, look, oh bro, this day is super clean. At least like, look at NQ, we traded into the current low of day. What I'm going to do, just take that from here, put it all the way down here. Okay, now that's better. So NQ traded into the lows. So what do I want to see? Just see failure to manipulate, or failure to reverse for ES to catch up. Especially with that 2-stage, we still got a lot of room to go for that 2 a.m. Also that 1800 low. So there's a lot of room to go there. So it's really clean. Also YM 2-stage, even though like I don't like how far YM retraced, but still I would want to take trades into that low. But if we see a failure, if we see NQ reversing because I hit the relevant draw, then that would be another story. So yeah, so far failure to manipulate and trade ES and YM as the lagging asset to that same level. That's gonna be really the trade idea for the day. Let me go ahead and get that rolling out. Okay. Hourly 30-minute. Are we gonna form a new swing? We just did. But look, they're respecting a gap here since NQ just traded into a relevant swing. So probably on ES, if I want to see a continuation, I want to see like this is just acting as a catalyst for a pullback, probably for a SMT fail or something. Let me see that M15. Yeah, probably for like a C2 off of this gap. Like if we get a C2 off of this gap, just look at that. I just got the CISD. So that's like more of that 4-hour model that T-Trace posted like I think just last week or something. C2, we've got a double change in state, so you just need to wait for like the next 15-minute candle to confirm another block on M15 and you can take it. But we're gonna take it the GxT way into these levels here. So that's gonna be a good day. And also we're forming the high of day off a 2-stage, so that's good. So that's more of like London reversal, New York continuation. Even though like if you want to have like a clean profile, it would be like this CISD, because I don't trust the M15 CISDs, especially with that opposing candle. It's not the biggest. So if I want to really like confirm that profile, I'll need to have like an hourly CISD, like a 30-minute CISD. But on Q, it's already confirmed. It's already confirmed there. So Again, same. We're sitting within that catalyst for a pullback, so let's see if we're gonna form a second stage to continue lower. Either back to that low or like one of these filler smokes here. That's gonna be the perfect scenario for today, and we can have like a beautiful, beautiful NQ short, or ES short, or YM short. So let me check the comments. I'm already in NQ target and sell side full target. Let's see it, right? Okay, I got our NQ and NQ at the 6 a.m. wake posted in Discord. All right, I'll go ahead and check Discord. What about the lesson? You guys can choose. Did you figure out how to? Did you figure out how you manage to trade traders parties? Yeah, man, it's all fixed now. There's no issue. What is that white candle? It's a PSP. This is my PSP indicator. So instead of just going and searching for it manually, I just look at that. Look at the driver, bro. Yeah, it was obvious we're gonna go to the lows. Let me check if I want to take a short entry here. I want to take a short, like early on the day, because you guys know. Oh, look at YM, bro. Yeah, just didn't like how close it is to the highs. So we have another decoupled market, which is YM. But let's see if ES is gonna reverse too or not. 3 minute. Looks like I got a lot of room to go for that though, to be honest. That's gonna give to R. Is that something I'm gonna do? No, we're not gonna get the retracement anyways. Holy, look at NQ. Just about to hit that current previous daily low. It's about to hit that previous daily low, so. PSP or PSC? PSF. PSP. Oh, let's just go. Oh. See, also looking good. Just from the get-go. A bunch of PSPs. So like we have a really decoupled market. 1800 is here. And that's like the ideal scenario for a bullish day. Open low, but there's nothing really here like relevant that we can reverse off of. Like we're still trading within this range here, which is not really clean. So probably the only thing I can frame it off of is like a C2 closure to kind of anticipate that we're gonna cop off that retracement. But we still like we had almost a C2 here, but still we failed to reverse. So let's see what we're gonna have on each O. No 2 stage there. Okay, RB looks better. RB looks better, especially kind of confirming that auto block there. RB is a lot cleaner. Let me just go ahead and take that off and go for higher time frame candles. Okay, PSP, turn that off. All right, so it seems like we're confirming this C2. I'm just gonna go to blue. CISD. Okay, I like RB. I want to take RB to the highs. But I need some. Trader Vet and Ninja Trader down. No way. No way. Did that happen again? Like, what is wrong with him? Is that for real? Let me check. No, it's working fine, man. Yeah. Wow. So we're not trading today again. Wow. Interesting. But it's gonna be fixed soon, so let's just give him some time. Let's just analyze. We still got like half an hour, so by the time we're gonna get a trade, if trader rate is there, that's good. If not, then it is what it is. So just have to wait and see. Let me see. Yes. Oh, we did get the retracement. Shit. But I couldn't have taken it anyways. To go for the lows, to go like buy to R somewhere in here. It was working before 9 a.m. Oh, I feel bad for the people that are still on the trade before 9. I feel so bad for them, man. Last time it happened to me. Oh man. So okay, so ideally I want to take RB to the upside. I like how it's forming. I like the fact that we're gonna have in this C2 really clean, and we also have this CISD, and I think also on the 30 minute we'll have a CISD. Yep. So this is confirming the low of day for me. This is the confirmation for a low of day for me. Especially though we had already that CISD, so this was anticipated to be a protected level, so we took it out. So that's for me something good to see. Do I have an SMT for some? Do I have any SMTs? CL. No, we don't. Or we can trade also like CL as the lagging asset to the upside. We can also do that, but it's a bit far, so probably get out here at the high. So let's see. 4 hour. How do you figure trading? I know, but there are no restrictions, bro. There are no restrictions for me anymore. Now my country is allowed, so I'm doing everything legally, man. And can you guys hear me, by the way? Is it the voice is very low? Is it very low? Is it very low for everybody or just him? So you guys can let me know so to turn the volume up or turn it up. Let me see. Come on, we still nobody have. Okay, we're still at 1499. If you guys haven't subscribed already, look at that. This is the sub count we have now right now. So we need 1 subscriber to get to 1500. So we're gonna get. Are we gonna see it now? Let me refresh. Let me refresh and see. I think you guys will have some delay. So until you guys catch up. So yo again, what's up, Atom? How are you doing, my brother? How are you doing, man? All right, so holy shit, look at that, bro. We just took that out. It just got taken out. That's crazy. All right, let me see if we got to the goal. Not yet. Oh my god, we still need 1 subscriber. Come on, guys, subscribe. Or is this if I were to manipulate to continue higher? Now I'm just looking at something else here with that 2 stage here, especially the IQ taking out the lows. So that's gonna be interesting to see. Put on some music, man. All right. You'll probably think that you were better now. Oh, let me check if you got candidate earlier. Okay, last night I got a copyright and my video got blocked. The live stream got blocked. Let me show you guys because I forgot to turn off the. You guys were able to hear the audio. So let me check. Blocked. Copyright. Look at that. It's blocked. Yesterday's stream is blocked because of copyright. You wanna better now. All right, so again, let's continue. Back daily. Oh, I am not really. CL is really good for restart to install the new Windows. Okay, not now, guys. I'm giving up on Windows 10. I'm going to Windows 11. That's really bad. But bro, I love Windows 10. All right, so ideally, just this is so clean. We're trading off of a gap. I love the fact that we kind of wicked it. Do we have any SMTs? Oh, let me do this. Let me go forward and then go with HO. Okay. Do we have any SMTs? Not really. So just from the get-go, what do we have? A C2 closure, forming the low week, which is really good. Do we have any SMTs? Do we have any SMTs here? Not really. Better now. We don't have any SMTs, but so far this is that clean ideal profile. Open low, respect the EQ to go higher. Like this is just picture perfect. Not gonna lie, bro. Just look at the range. Wow, just still kind of holding that C spot that T-Trade talks about, but again, just the overall EQ of the range. Same for that one, but like HO did trade above the high. So, and also we have a gap here, and we wicked the gap. So that's interesting. That's gonna be interesting to see. Are we gonna reverse off of the previous daily high and then expand lower, or just we'll see if fair to manipulate to continue higher? But like from the get-go, like the daily supports buys. Like going on a 4 hour, same narrative. Like I'm still looking for buys. Ideally, I still want to take that C2. Still want to take this C2 to the upside, at least back to the EQ of like this range. But ideally, like internal to external. But there's nothing really here that we can frame a trade off of. Like that's the only issue. It's only on HO that we took out the irrelevant swing. Let me take off that percentage swing point. We took out a swing. It's only, but at the same time, we're also CISDing, so it's tricky. It's a bit tricky for the time being. So this is HO, right? Let me put RB here. And RB is the cleanest one, giving us that CISD, confirming that we want to go to the upside. But still, let's see. So we don't have any SMTs here. That's just the C2, and I like the fact that we can manipulate a relevant swing. So ideally, I want to look for the highs to go. Hourly, again, RB already kind of confirmed that CISD on the 30-minute. CL seems like it's about to do it, if he manages to do it. RB is the leading asset to the upside, so we don't have to worry. 920. Oh, that's a clean trade. But before 10, I just confirming the CISD and try to go for like at least this level here. At least like this would be my target, anyways, because this is a manipulation high. So I wouldn't really go for that high. I'll just go for this one. So let me take off the TT and take it off. Just go with high time frame candles. So yeah, let's just see. But overall, look at these fairy swings, man. Bunch of fairy swings. Now HO, I prefer HO better because we formed the irrelevant swing within that daily range, and now we're reversing off of it, which is good, which is really good. It's something I like to see. And also the 4 hour seems like it's gonna close to C2. It's not a PSP. It is a PSP, so we're trading within a PSP, and we can just look for a lower time frame cracking correlation to kind of confirm the direction. So that would be really it. This one is just still fucking around. Let me check the subs, bro. Like, I need to see 1500. Ah, man, still. Come on. If you guys haven't subscribed already, we still need 1 subscriber for 1500. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, if you guys like the live streams, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. So yeah, that's really it. Let's go to gold now. Let's start with silver. Silver just crazy. Again, same narrative. We got a gap. First tap into the gap. Like if price wants to reverse, this is the area we'll do it from. Price has already expanded a lot. So ideally, if we want to take shorts, probably back into the daily open, like just to be safe. Just play safe. 6 hour. Okay. 6 hour candles. It's from like probably 2-stage here. No, it's not a 2-stage. I don't think it's a 2-stage. So what we can do, just looking at the 4 hour from the get-go, man. Just from the get-go, it's I think we have holy guys. Where is wait. Wait. I'm gonna show something. Let's go. Nice. All right. New target just got smashed. 2R. Like this is like this 1500 subs is like a better than a 2R trade. This is more than a 2R trade. That's a lot better. So let's go. Man, such a beautiful journey, man. Such a beautiful journey, man. Now I've been live streaming for how long? Like 4 months now. Crazy, man. Crazy. So thank you guys. Thank you. And I'm sure since you guys are loving the live streams, tuning in and subscribing, so I'm doing something right. So that's really good. And I hope I can just continue on delivering and just making the live streams better and a better place for you guys to learn and enjoy at the same time and also grow the community. So thank you guys. Thank you. And let's match the next goal, which is 2K. let's get it sorted out. So thank you guys. And now, because we just got to 1500, you guys can request save it. Oh, by the way, if you guys are not on Discord, you can go ahead and join the Discord. And what you guys can do is just go to general, or I'll open, like, you go to the resources and just go to like open. How can I do it? Maybe go to a new post. You know what? I'll try to figure out how you guys can vote for a Atom. Oh man, Atom is such a good moderator. Where's the you guys can still hear it, right? Okay, that's good. So what I was saying is the following. So let me just turn that on. get that out of the way. So I'll try to. If you guys haven't joined the Discord already, go ahead and join, and we'll probably talk about the next video. So you guys can go ahead and suggest it, but not in general. It'll just get messy. We'll probably try to do it somewhere here under the resources channel, so you guys can discuss what you guys want for the next video, and I would be happy to deliver. So yeah, that would be the case for me. So yep, thank you guys, and it's really good to see a new goal smashed. Okay, back to the charts now. Back to the charts. But before that, I'm gonna check something here. My mama says she on TV. Okay, thank you guys. Where's your Discord link? Bro, like I added this, like in a Discord, like look at that. Like look at that. I designed this. Link below. So you guys don't have to ask. No worries. Yeah, it's on the Discord. It's in description. Let me know if the link still works. So I just designed this one. I don't know if you guys paid attention to it or not, but yeah, I just designed it yesterday just to make the live streams a bit better for me to kind of just answer questions, because sometimes I just go over questions that are. Anyways, let's continue. Congrats. Thank you. W for format. By the way, Robson, shout out to you, my brother. Shout out to this guy. He's been like, he tuned in like when I used to have like 1 or 2 viewers. He used to tune in. So, shout out to you, my brother. Where's your Discord link? Just the beginning. Your live streams are great. Thank you, man. Thank you. Discord link description. All right. Seems like we're having any flowers to manipulate. When I see IST. Oh, let me set M1. That's looking good, but I don't trade before 10 a.m. So I'm just gonna let it go. Let it go. Let it go. All right. Look at that. Look at the 4 hour, man. We have a 2-stage PSP here. So as from the get-go, you guys know what I want to do. I would probably trade back into the EQ of the range. Not probably. Like this is what I would do. I would be willing to trade back into the EQ of the range if we see a failure to manipulate this level. If we see a failure to manipulate, I will anticipate that this level is going to get taken out, and then I'm probably going to drive to the EQ. That would be my whole thesis for that trade. So yep, so I'm just going to go ahead and wait. Hopefully see the gap getting swept with a CST, and then I'm going to take it to the lows. That's going to be a super easy trade. Silver, it just delivers, man. So try to wait down again. Wait, silver sell, but the amount of yep, I still want lower prices on oil. You still want lower prices on oil? You can, but so far it doesn't seem like we're gonna have lower prices for the time being. RB is just gonna go to target. Like look at the RB alone. This is the type of trades I love to take to the next draw. Like this is the type of trades I take. Boom, I take it to the next draw. But I don't trade before 10, so nonetheless. Trade of 8 down again. Yeah, bro, it's always. I don't know what's going on with them. Thank you. Any trade setup, bro? No, so far just waiting. Like it's still not really clear. But so far, I want to incurred. I want to take NSC to the low, but it doesn't seem like they want to trade lower. But let's see. YM, holy. YM just going for that draw. That it failed to go to yesterday from that swing. So it seems like now it's going there. So let's see if probably price is going to give us like a gap or something to trade back to the high. And there's another high here. Look a bunch of highs here. So there's a lot of potential for YM to go to the upside. Let me see RTY. No, it's just, yeah, I'm sorry, RTY. Just garbage. Alright. So far, we have a decoupled market here, so I will trade YM as a separate asset just to take it to the upside. So that will be the whole narrative for me, just like yesterday that we tried to take longs. But on yes, we're still within the range. That's a bit of an issue, man. That's a bit of an issue. I don't want to trade within the range. But let's see if we're gonna confirm this CIST, or at least like some sort of clean swing, which we do have with the 2-stage PSP. Okay. NQ. We just failed to take out that low. YM. Ideally, I want to take YM. Like if we have like a 2-stage here, that would be really clean. Like if price manages to retrace and give me like a swing formation here, that's going to be really good. Like a fair swing, like 2 fair swings straight away from the low of day. Even though like we have fair swings, but this low is like really a bit far away from the low, so I wouldn't really care about it. That would be really good. And we also have like that's SMG, so I don't really now it's just I wouldn't care that much, like at all. Not just I wouldn't care. I don't care about him at all. So I got the SMT holding, price just expanding. 6 a.m. is expanding higher. This is a C2, so I would anticipate a C3. So there's a lot of targets to the upside. So we have some good trades coming, I guess, on YM. ES just within the range. I haven't really traded. So YM is more favorable. Okay, RB just got to the row. Perfect. It's perfect and also at the same time not perfect because I'm not in the trade. And if I wanted to take this one, it would have been probably a bit earlier, like the first hour or two within the 6 a.m. I could have taken it, but it's a bit late within that 10 a.m. Within that 6 a.m. Same for 10 a.m. Like I try to take trades on the 10 a.m. It's a bit earlier, like the first 2 hours, just to get that expansion. Because ideally, I want to get this open low, get in here, or at least somewhere in here, to give time for expansion. But like now, there's no time. So it's like half an hour for expansion for that 4-hour candle. So that's the reason why. So let me just put on music again. Make sure you guys can hear the music. Okay, pride. All right. One sec. All right, we back out. I had the call. All right, let's see. Put the live stream in here. All right. What is going on? Okay. Seems like that 1 minute is holding. We got another CISD here. So are we gonna get to the lows? Like if we get to the lows, that's gonna be a good trigger for YM to expand to the upside. If not, then it will give us time to expand lower. Okay. Thank you. Is this a 2-stage? It is not. It's not a 2-stage. Like somewhat it is. Like with that swing it is. M15. Let's see. Okay, it is. Now we have like a 2-stage, second stage with this CISD. But I don't trade before 10, bro. I don't trade before 10. Like this is a clean swing to the lows. Man. Shut off, add Nightbot to channel with Discord and Nightbot. What is Nightbot? To channel with Discord and Nightbot? I don't know what is this, man. Oh. Your live chat made simple. An essential streamer tool for automatic live chat message mode. Oh, thanks, man. Good features. Alright, I'll go ahead and check that out, man, right now. YouTube. But wait. Probably will pop up here. Okay. We'll go with my account. This is why he is the moderator. That's why, man. Moderator is doing moderator things. Man, he suggests some good ideas. Hey Tom, thanks, buddy. Let me see what is that. Nightbot. Okay, just access everything. Just go to my laptop and take everything. Logging on into YouTube. I'm signing in. Let me go choose the account. All right, back to the charts while it's signing up. So now, since RB got to the highs, you guys know what I want to do. I haven't traded above the high. Ideally, I don't want to see price trading above the high. Ideally, like just kind of retracing back and just to allow for CL at least to get in move. Like if RB takes out the high, then I will have to wait for a new failure to manipulate, which is gonna take a bit of time. And probably by that time, if CL wants to expand, it will just start expanding. So ideally, just wait. RB, do not take out the high. Retrace that open low. Allow CL or HO to give me a trade, or also RB. I would be down to take a RB trade back to the highs. By the way, I would be so down to take it because now it's already aligned with that daily. The daily already flipped. If we have like a 2-stage here, I'm taking it. Just in 1 stage, I'm enough with the 2-stage. 1 stage is really enough for me here. I wouldn't wait for 2-stage because I don't need these trend switch. It's already the stronger asset. Even if it turns bearish, yeah, now this is like a trend switch from stronger to weaker. But I would love to have like a new swing. I would love to trade from a new swing to then expand higher. So either way it is, that's gonna be a beautiful trade. Let me see what's going on. So how can I use this one? Commands. Custom commands are used to trigger a response in chat. Start by creating. Okay. Name. Holy. Let me go to Discord. Oh, so if somebody just typed in Discord, you guys will get notified by the response, right? Let's go to Discord. Take this one, copy the link, invite a server, copy, take this one, put it here, join. Create. Can you guys type in Discord in the chat? Let's see if it works or not. Let's see if it works or not. So let's see. Let's try it out. Let me check. Oh, thing was set up was good. Why do you choose CL over GC for shorts, bro? Because it's the one putting in the. First of all, I like the asset that haven't expanded yet. This is just my opinion. I like the lagging asset now. Just with like a filter reverse on GC, I can trade the catch up. But if I try to trade the asset that already expanded, then I don't know if it's just gonna expand further. So that's the only reason. And it also looks clean. Like we just formed that C2, so we can anticipate C3. Now we're trading within a C3, trading a C4. So C2 is higher probable than a C3. C3 is higher probable than a C4. So Forex, I don't trade Forex. YouTube like Discord. I think it doesn't work. Right? I think it doesn't work. How? Let me refresh. Commands, actions, response, everyone. Channel member, owner, everyone. Show advanced settings, cool down settings, claim. A comment that Discord is an alias when calling Discord triggers. Oh, okay. This is it now. Just about to get the trigger. Okay, Discord update. Alias must be set to an existing command. Where do they have the command here? Will that do it? No idea. But I'll go ahead and check on YouTube to see how it works. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be a good one if it works. Thanks, by the way, for the idea. That's really good. Back to the charts. Now it's about 10 a.m., man. Holy InQ. Holy ES. What the fuck, man? That was a clean trade, by the way. Like that 2-stage on M15. If you guys took that, really good. But I don't trade before 10 a.m. Okay, now it's time for me to milk this. All right, so we already know that NQ traded below the lows, failing to manipulate. Now I can have some trust. Now I can trust the fact that ES is just gonna continue lower. Do we have a new swing formation? Yep, we do. Although, what am I gonna look for now? Just a gap or something to trade away from. Yep. Give me open high. Ideally, we sweep the gap. Ideally. If we don't get it, that's all right. So now, ES, I want to take shorts into this low. All this potential. We got all that room there. Now we're just trading within a C2, which is good. Hourly, 90 minute, we're also probably forming a C2. That's really good. What are you, 2-stage? Oh, wait. That's looking really good on the 90-minute. Nah, still the stronger asset. Okay. 5-1. The 1 minute looks really good. Open high, clean, lifting a gap there, just straight back to the gap. All right. We have a stage here. Okay. Just see one stage here. 3 minute. Back. 3 minute. We're gonna break the SMT or not? OCL silver. Okay. Silver 30 minute. Let me get that out of the way. We did. Okay. Perfect. Alright. If I get the CSD, I'm gonna take the trade, by the way, guys. If I get the CSD, I'm gonna take the trade. I need to have like a clean closure. And I will be willing to take it to the acute range prior to our trade. So silver, that's gonna be the potential setup. What happened to Discord? I can join. Let me put a new link. Put a new link here for you. Settings. Close. Settings. Edit. Just gonna go ahead and post this one. Okay, it's still the same. Still the same. Yeah, still the same link. So you guys can find it in the description. It's there. It's working. So ES, I want to take shorts on ES, but it looks like we're not gonna get that. Let me play some music. Let's make sure. Okay, you guys cannot hear. That's good. I like this one. Big alley law. Biggest alley law. Wow, look at that. Seems like YM is gonna be the one saving the day here. Oh, this did not close like a C2 or a C3. So just closed an inside bar. So now the only one I can trust is RB. We do have this SMT fill here. But the CISD is a bit far away. Silver is giving that CI. Not really, it's not giving the CISD. Let me put on our alert there. The only issue with RB is like the CISD is a bit far away. Yeah. So we'll have to wait for a new swing here. Most likely than not. Yeah, I'll just wait for a new swing. Is this a gap? Yeah, it is a gap. Okay, let's see if we're gonna form a new swing here to consider the upside. Look at that, man. No trades. Yeah, that was the cleanest. This was the cleanest trade. For time. Let me see. PSP. So just trading with any PSP here. 3 minute. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get that CSD. If we do get the CSD, I'm gonna take it by the way. Oh, wait. Is Tradeovate working? Wait, let me check if Tradeovate is working. I forgot. Totally forgot. Completely forgot about Tradeovate. Let me check. Trade? It's not. It's not, bro. It doesn't even want to click. None of them wants to click, so I think that's like a trading view issue. Trade. It's working perfect, but it doesn't want to click. Like a click trade, it doesn't click. What? Come on. Come on. Trade. Go to Tradeovate. Can we get that Tradeovate logins? Let me check. Let me get that sorted out. It doesn't work. You know, I'm just gonna reload trader view. Let me just reload trader view. Let me just get that working again. Let me see. What? They look up to me. They look straight to my face. Shut up to my face. Alright. Let me check now if everything's working fine. Come on, it's taking ages to load. Come on. Let me check here. If it's gonna work or not. Trade. My days. That's taking too long, bro. Trade. Okay, perfect. We good to go here, boys. We good to go. Let me see silver. Oh man, don't tell me silver is okay. Failure to CISD. Good. Even this now it just becomes better. This is a lot better. Especially most likely I'm gonna get that 2-stage with GC, I think. So let's just set an alert there. Set another one here to see if we're gonna get that 2nd stage. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Yes, incurred expanded, so I don't really care about it. Oh, it's not clean so far. I still want to take shorts here probably from a new gap. M15, yeah. If we end up forming a gap, I would still be willing to check a C. Just in 1 stage is enough. 1 stage is enough for me to continue to downside, or just a 2nd stage. Lucky 1 stage to the downside. So let's see. We got a gap. Hopefully we won't close the gap in the next 6 minutes. CL is doing his thing, bro. Let me see. That's gonna be a good trade. But we don't have any 2-stage here. We don't have any cracking correlation. We don't have anything like that. Like we have this SMT fail. Like should I trust it? Like, it's a bit far away. Like this is an SMT fail, but there's no PSP. No, there's not. The current one is a PSP, but it has to close for me to confirm it. So probably allowed to take HO. Hourly. It's just an inside bar, that's the thing. Also like a C2 on each show, like I bear a C2, so. Are we gonna get the closure or not? Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure. So. But so far it doesn't look the cleanest, man. It's not the cleanest. This CL long, it doesn't look the cleanest. Like I didn't want to take RB when we had that 2nd stage. We're still holding that 2nd stage, by the way. We're still holding that 1 stage, not 2 stage. That's a SMT fail. We're still holding it. Let's see. This low. Let me see. M3. 30 minute. Straight to the leg now. 3 minute. It looks clean, to be honest. Now it looks clean. With like this 20 minute, it just looks clean. Like trading away from the low of 10 a.m. We got a gap, so I can just put my stop at the body of the candle. Probably take it for the high. I don't think we can reverse from here. By the time we get to the high, I'll just move my stops to break even. Okay, we'll close the gap here. Let me thank you. Yeah, we'll close the gap too. Okay, seems like it's the time for price to start going higher. We just formed this gap. And also on YM, we have like close proximity draws to the upside, so. Let's see, but we have to wait for 5 minutes there. Let me see if RB is going to close to above this level. If it does, probably we'll go with CL. Let's see what is going on here. Did it trade above the high? Not really, just a fair swing. Let me see. Did it trade above the high? Oh, we did, okay. But I hate this fair swing at SMT. I hate this type of SMT. Like, we did trade above here. But again, remember, this is the 7, so it's not the same time. 10, okay. We did trade above. But let's see. Let's see if we can manage to trade lower. But ideally, take the high. We formed a gap on YM. I would be down for this because the CSD is here. But there's no cracking correlation here, man. Like, we only have this SMT, which I don't trust. Because we had the SMT for ages and it did not hold, so. Thank you. Yeah. So, it's a bit troublesome. I guess CL looks the cleanest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with CL if it gives that setup. Alright, seems like I'm gonna get it. 3 minutes. And it's closing as a PSP. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure or not. Let me put RB here really quickly to check to make sure we got the closure. Did we get the closure on RB? Let me see if we're gonna get the closure on RB or not. This is gonna be, no, we did not get it. Okay. Didn't get the closure on RB. It's not worth it for the time being. Because the stronger asset failed to CISD, so ideally I'm gonna take the stronger asset also to confirm the CISD. I don't have any, like, it turned weaker here, but also CL turned weaker, so it should CISD at the same time. So I'll just have to wait for this PSP to close and then take the next swing. So we still got 3 minutes for the M15 to close. So that will close as a 2-stage. SMT fail and a PSP. So that's gonna be just better for the taking. Hopefully it can retrace back to the gap. If it doesn't, then it just goes. It is what it is. So that's gonna be my setup for CL. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this. Alright. Alright, CL is flipping, so it ended up actually reacting off of this auto block. Let's see if it's gonna continue higher or not. If you guys trade inversions. Four hour. Okay, let's see what the 4 hour is doing so far. Okay, it seems like we might get a C2 closure here. So okay, we'll just call it SMT2. We just shade it below the low. So I'm gonna get a C2 closure to trade back into to rebalance the range. Let me go to 90, see what we're gonna get. It's not clean. Hourly, 30 minute, 15. 65. That's gonna give like 1 or 2. If we get the CISD lower, which stops at the bottom, probably have to, yeah, tweak it a little bit. But yeah, if we do get that CSD, I'm gonna take it. But it seems like we're not. 15. Yeah, if this one closes this way, I wouldn't really take it one stage here because there's no gap, so I'll have to wait for a new swing formation. Let's see. Okay, so new swing, we got a new M15 candle on CL. So now I just want to see the open low. So it's closing as a two straight. Not really. All of them close bullish. Okay, so this did not close as a PSP. Okay. Did not close as a PSP. Okay. HO. So we're gonna trade back into the R block, or we're gonna go to the draw liquidity to the first high. But I think we're gonna filter manipulate. This one's just gonna continue to the next. That's what I think. Yeah, I think this one is gonna cause price reverse. If price wants to reverse this, like at least this. Let me see. That's first relevant swing within AQ. Okay. Alright. Silver seems like he wants to give the setup, but I hate how it's forming right now. Equal highs. Is that something to trust? We do have the SMG, by the way. GC? Alright, let's see if we're gonna get that CISD. Okay. M5. Okay, let me set a comp. Oh, got a lot. Let me check. Wait, hi bro, what's up? Hello, what's up? We also have a PSP and I'm not even doing it as fast. What's up? What's up? Yes, working for me. It's working. Restart your review. So check YM lower. Our frame in the high of the hour now in a fair value gap. 3 minute waiting for CS. I'm not even risking it. Let's just sit not to try. Not being able to close it. Some just over. Bro, all right, we'll get done soon, especially with like the new milestone for like 1,500 subs. Probably this is the time. This is the time. I have a 7-hour layover, bro. I have a like on Saturday I'm traveling. I have a 7-hour layover, so probably within that 7-hour layover, I'll try to record as maximum as I can. So. So probably I'll record something at the airport. I just ordered a new mic for my stand. A new stand for my mic because this one is on a table from the desk. So I got one like that stands on the desk so I can record. Also I can maybe live stream when I'm traveling. So okay. I got a feeling and it's trying to let go. Hey, hey. Ah man, should I trust this? You thought that it was special, but not what the. 1 sec. Alright, so we're getting the fair to CISD again. CL seems like she's gonna push it up high, which is good. I wanna take ES to be honest, bro. Like I wanna take the short to the lows. Let me see what NQ is doing. Yeah, I wanna take the lows, bro. I wanna take the lows, so yep. This is what I want. I want ES to the lows. Oh my god. I cannot get in, man. I'll have to risk 1K, which is a bit unfortunate. Ah, shit, I got a call, man. I was on a call. What the fuck? Let me check. Was it gonna give $500 risk here? If it does, then it's just gonna be the unluckiest man. Okay, that's good. 700. Okay, no worries. There was no way for me to enter anyways. I don't want to risk bro 1K for a trade. I risk $500, so if it goes, it goes. Which I think it will. Yeah, just the fact that these are one. Anyways, back to Blue Notes. I love this song, man. Okay, back to framing another trade. We didn't like it a trade there. 1 minute. Look at CL. CL straight into the first level. Let's see if it's gonna continue or not. It's like my draw was here. This is the blues. Okay, we still have potential, by the way, on HO. It's forming a C2. This is a PSP. Look at the candle now. Look at that candle. So this is a two-stage PSP. Well, not really two-stage. Let me check. Not really two-stage, but we'll have a new swing formation, which is a PSP. So we can trade it back to the highs. We can trade the lagging asset, especially that CL just traded above that high. We can now frame the failure to manipulate of that same relevant swing, which is this swing here. So now we can trust that HO can go to that high. So I'll use this level, which better like this high for target. If we do end up seeing the failure to manipulate on CL. Let's see if. By the way, if I wanted to trade, I would move my stopper break even right now. Holy. So it could have been like this. Could have been like that. Let me see the 90-minute. Bro, I started using the 90-minute, bro. It's really good. It's really not. Oh my god. Damn, look at that 90-minute, man. This is the blues. Cause I'm back in. Oh, man. Nice. Let me see. I know the TTFM model folded, but on GxT, I want to add this cracking correlation or what time frame to use. For like, it's all like how do you want to trade? Like, they want to trade like 1 4-hour candle. Like, first you should decide if you want to trade a 1 4-hour candle, or you want to trade 2 trades away, or you want to trade GxT away, but also you want to catch every swing high and low. If you want to trade a 4-hour candle, it's different from profiling the day or profiling the session or whatever. So first you have to start asking yourself, like, do I want to trade 1 4-hour candle? Then it will get a lot easier. If you want to trade 1 4-hour candle, this is your whole job. Is try to profile this, open, low, high, close, open, high, low, close. So now your job is try to frame this or try to frame this. Now you just need the correct correlation here to trade this expansion, or you need the correct correlation here to trade this expansion. That's it. You don't have to make it hard, man. You don't have to go to it through all the mess. Just once you know what you like the knowledge, you should, like, for me, this is how I view it. You should decide how you want to trade first, then learn based off of it. Not learn something and then force it to work for whatever you want to do with it. If you guys get what I mean. So I want to trade 1 4-hour candle. Okay, let me try. What do I need for 1 4-hour candle? Try to profile this. Okay, so if I'm just trading this move, where do I need the correct correlation? Either here or here for continuations. Okay, now it's just easier. The correction correlation SMT now is just like you take it step by step, and now it's gonna become a lot easier. But if you try to trade the whole day, bro, it's not worth it. Do not do, like, now I see like BM trades and also Garrett trading the whole day, like good. Garrett is trading the model that he came up with the model, so he trades a lot and stuff. But I don't advise it for you guys, like, especially if you guys still struggling. Not at all, man. Just take it one step back, man, and just trade 1 4-hour candle, not one session, 1 4-hour candle. That's it. Like, I've been trading the model for a while now, and I still now, just yesterday, I added 6 a.m. just yesterday. And why? Just because I'm traveling. I don't want to travel, so I just gonna adapt to it. And also because I miss a lot of trades, to be honest. A lot of trades that I miss on 6 a.m. So, and I'm just not gonna trade it full. Like, I'm not gonna trade the full 6 to 10 and 10 to 12 and all. I'm just probably gonna trade from 7 to 8:30. That's sweet spot for expansion. If we get an expansion there, that's good. If not, just go to 10, trade it. I've been thinking my house can sing. Too young. Nah. Ex calling. I'm on your grave. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? Okay, so far so good. What is this? Okay, let's see silver. Wow, silver just expanding higher, man. Don't tell me CL is straight and back, which is good. I love what CL is doing right now, by the way. Especially that we're closing a C2 here. So now we can just trade this one to the high. Now we can get in with like a bit of a higher probability idea. Because I already see now that this is a fair to manipulate, so that's gonna give like a 2.3 R. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the alert there. That's gonna be a trade. On crack calculation, just focus on PSP, then SMT or 2-stage SMT. That's the only reversal. Yeah, and like that's everything that exists. But people try to, I don't know, like focus on a lot of things, bro. Just focus on one. Look, you want to take reversal? You want to take reversal? Need for 2-stage. Continuation, just 1 stage. Holy, what just happened? Wow. That was crazy. That was like 8 seconds and it already was. I was about to confirm the CISD. Let's see if we're going to get the CISD or not. What the fuck just happened, bro, on each O? Holy. Yeah, that's the beautiful. Wow. CL, please don't expand. Thank you. Is that gonna be like a trigger for reversal? Is this a trigger for reversal? Let's see. Because CL trader above it failed to reverse. Also RB. Now HO. So let's see if this driver was the catalyst for reversal. So, which seems like it. Let's see. See, are we getting this? Okay. Let me just prepare my entry, bro. CL. I want to take this one. This one stops here. TP at the high. Go for 2R. Okay. Go for 500 bucks. 4 contracts. Okay, that's it. Let's see if we're gonna get it or not. Money in a grave. Lovely. Billie Eilish. It's been a while, bro. If you wanna get depressed, if I take an L, bro, I'll play Billie Eilish. Why is it not loading up like that? The logo of the game. Without me, better. If you want question, nice fashion. Just put it somewhere here. Look at the song up there. Okay, let's continue. We're not getting the CIZ so far. Let me try to see what's going on with NQ. Oh, haha, ho. C2, bro. Brother. But to where? CL gonna... Okay, I'm not giving the CIC, that's good. But if I want to take NQ, to where? Like, that's the question. Let me check if there are any lows below. There is. There's another one. It's already taken out. I don't think it's gonna CIC. To R. It's like really far. I'll just wait for CL. Okay, so I would have taken a break even there. Looking for... Shit. Damn, bro. That is what it is. Could I have taken gold? Was it possible to take gold? Yeah, it was actually. Yeah, I could have taken gold. No worries. Yeah, the risk was a bit too much. It was a bit too much for me to take on silver. It was like 1k, which I cannot take. Yeah, 1k. That's alright. I didn't want to, like, my risk is like 500 bucks. So, and especially these equal highs, now I'm just like going for more risk with like a less of an ideal trade. So, it's not the best. It is what it is. GC, let me GC if I wanted to take GC. And probably target one of the lows here. Probably just inside bar low. Was it enough? Like, could have given like a risk. 3k. MGC. Create limit order, one contract. Yeah, you could. Okay, no worries. NQ. Okay, NQ is given the setup. M5. Hello. Let me see what is going on here. We're not getting to stage. We're not getting to one stage either. I'll probably just wait for the gap. Yeah, I'll just wait for the gap and have my stop here and go for 2R. That's what I'll do. I cannot take the retest. Like I can. I'll just wait for a gap. Try to go for... Yeah, somewhere near M1. Let me set a body again. Okay, let's keep it somewhere in there. 2R. Okay, so that would be my next trade, man. One contract. Bro, what the fuck is going on with the markets? Everything's like 1k. I'm broke to treat these mini contracts, man. Bro, I just want to trade the micros, man. Micro trader. I want to see you up there. I want to see you up there. Like I got it out of figured out. I want to see. Probably we can go to this low here. So we can just expand the target a little bit to here. And with that comes the idea of entering on the retest and going for this one. Okay. Go 560. But are we gonna retrace all the way back there? What do you guys think? Alright. Ooh, wait. Somebody else says to stop, baby. Baby. I wanna see you up there. Bearish, bullish. Okay, so we have the 2-stage here. We have a 2-stage SMT here. That shit just expanded, man. Holy. I wanna go for 2R. I go with this one too. I'll go with RB too. I go with RB. Okay, you know what? Let's wait for the gap. Let's wait for the gap to form on RB and let's see what we can do. $10 a.m. is flipping bearish, just straight above irrelevant swing. If we're gonna reverse, this is the area we'll do it from. Just gonna trade from range high to range low. Let's see if we're gonna form the gap or not. If I take the gap, stops at the body, I would not get 2R, so I'll just wait for like a new level to form. That's gonna be the only thing I can do right now. I wanna see you up there. Let's just wait for it to come back. Which I don't think it will. I'm 5. Let's see, take the execution here. Stops at the level 1.5R. Still, like enough taking it. Holy. Slow fashion. 10 bands. 100 bands. Just gonna know yourself. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Do I get the closure? We do have a clean closure, by the way. Take the retest. Stops at the body. Go for 2R. 3R. Wow. All right. I was running into the wall. No one to sit on my walls. Count money, you know how it goes. Keep it real, there's a man. Let's see if we're gonna get the gap. We're gonna get a gap, but let's see how it forms. 3 minutes. We did get a gap. I just put a sell here. Just below this order block here. That's gonna give 2R. I don't like how serious they take themselves. I was lost with me, I guess I know myself. Honest, I don't have no time for that. My city to turn up, let's take a 5 for that. Despair where you find me at. I know my niggas are fun to me. I don't like how the wick is forming, but let it go. Oh, I could have now entered here, but it's no worries. I was running to the 6. I was running to the 6 with my walls. I was running to the 6 with my walls. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. So let's just put it here. It's just to make it better. Okay, we got it at the closure of the gap. Okay, that's a so good. Yeah, I could have like got in here. Stops here. But let's see. You hit the nasty flow. Yeah, and you know. You know how that shit go. And you know, money on women like 24/7. And you know, running through the streets with my. I want to give you guys a listen, but bro, ah man, Drake is gonna give me a copyright. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Running through the six with my walls. Yep, but that's gonna be the trade for the day, bro. Let's see if this one. So I'm trying to just frame the like we're trading away from the hive day, the hive 10 a.m. So let's see if it's gonna play out or not. It looks good. It looks clean. Even though like the narrative is for the upside, but I'm just like, let me just go counter that. And it seems like we're gonna pay $500 for that mistake, or we're gonna get paid on like a 1K for that trade. So let's see. How come you decide to skip NQ? Because there's RB. Man, I'm a cheater. I cheat on NQ, bro. When RB is there. But seems like I'll get caught now. I'll get caught by cheating. Let me see the body 3 minutes. It's a bit higher. But if I go higher, man. Let me see how much risk I'm gonna add if I go there. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna get taken out anyways. I'm gonna get taken out anyways. So I just running through the thing with my walls. You know how this shit goes. You know how this shit goes. You know how this shit goes. Hourly. 3 minutes. Come on, don't take me out the baddies. Alright. Won't push. This is what happened on Monday. Like it was so close and then reversed. So let's see if it's gonna happen then again. It's gonna happen today. Let's see. Minus 65, 64 ticks. I'm down how much? Like $500? 512, 520. 520. Minus 462, minus 436. Come on, minus 350. Come on, give me that 300 mark. And now we're gonna hear that. Ain't no telling. All right. It's how he knows. You know how it goes, bro. You know how it goes. All right, so that was a clean 2-stage, by the way. We got a PSP there, and I traded to C2. I was willing to trade to C2, but bro, fuck that shit. Hell, you know, validation level. Damn. No worries. It is what it is. But don't tell me I respect the body. Okay, let's see. Let me see what NQ is doing. Don't tell me it's pushing lower. If it's pushing lower, that's bad. Could have been an L2, so that's okay. CL. No trades. Okay. So the only one that I wanted to take and invest is this one. Okay, let's continue. Nothing happened. With my walls, you know how this shit goes. You know how this shit goes. Wait, this was a PSP, right? This, like, the entry was. Let me check. Let me make sure that I did enter how I was supposed to enter. Holy. Look at each other. I think with CL we had the 2-stage, right? Okay, we did have 2-stage. Okay, that's good. But this was bullish. This was bearish. Okay, so that was a PSP, so it's 2-stage. Okay, so whatever that was going on in my mind was good. Okay, so just pay the price. It's just like a business expense. So let me see. 62. Yeah, bro, we need to get like at least 60 likes, man. we need to get the $500 again. Ah, man. Okay, let me check. How to trade decouple the markets? Is it hard to trade? It's better to not trade, but if you do, for example, NQ and ES are not decoupled, so you just are in sync. So I just trade NQ and ES as one. That's like two coupled markets, and then I use YM as a separate one. traded by itself. So I don't believe. Oh man, no, bro, how did you add fast sound? Yeah, I added to this. I added to the left. So I was like, I'm prepared. I was like, I'm prepared. I'm gonna get taken out. Let me check. Let me see the body of the M1. The body of the candle. Holy, bro, look at that entry. Holy, what a bad entry. No worries. Oh man, this week has been rough. Not rough. I'm down. I'm up. I was up. I think I'm break even now for a week. Shit. We're not making money, boys. Yeah, man. And I'm traveling next week. I'm going broke, man. I'm going broke. I'm going broke, guys. CL looks good. CL actually looks clean. 90 minute. Close the C2. Do I have like a second stage there? We do. Holy. That shit is good. That shit is sexy. Where my walls. You know how this shit goes. You know how this shit goes. Yeah, bro. If I get this CIST, I would take it with like $100 risk. I'm trying to go for like this. Get out of the way. Let me see. Like a 4 hour. So like a clean swing that I can target. Probably below this candle here. So if I get this entry closer, I would go for this trade. Let's see. It'll be like a 1 to 2. Probably go with like $150. Yeah. I won't risk that much because I'm already down for the day. So how can I accept losses like you, bro? It's hard for me, bro. I just know, like, I followed my plan. It did not play out. That's it. Yeah. As long as I entered the trade that was valid in my opinion, like with the 2 stage, that's it. It's an L. Like, I can do nothing about it, man. It's just the market. The market is always right, so just gotta accept that. When my wounds, you know how to go. Because you know, like, over the long run, you're gonna take the same setup and win like 7, take like a break even, lose 2 or something. So I don't really care. With my wounds, you know how to go. You know how to go. No, wait. I think I still have OBS. Okay, let me stop this. Ain't no telling. Okay, so RB ended up like kind of respecting this new validation level. But on the hourly, there was nothing, so. Okay, 30 minute 15. Wait, let me see how the 4 hour now is closing. Let me check. Let me reassess. Okay, so it's still bullish. Hourly. Did trade above the high. So ideally, if I want to trade now, probably this. Do I have like a 2 stage here? Not really. But we'll have a swing. Let's see. Just gonna put 2 alerts here. One here. One here. Let's see. Let me see. I shot it and go. Bro, I wanted to take that silver, but boy, just run. Come on, if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. We're at 1502. Okay, somebody just unsubscribed. I'm not taking L's with that guy anymore. I'm not gonna come to the stream to take an L. Let me check. Hey. Look at RB. Okay, so the idea was completely wrong. Wait. We do have the SMT. Where is the open? The open is here. We have like a large opposing run. M5, M1, M3. 17, 17, 34, and plus 7. Okay, 40. So I'll have to be like 41 to be able to get like 1 or 3. So like just beyond that high. I'm gonna go with like lighter risk. Let me see. Like what's the point value for CL? 20. So $80 per point. Okay. So the stop is like. So is that like 14 points or like this is 14 ticks, right? Let me check. So 14 if I go with one contract. Oh, tick value is 10. Okay. So it's gonna be 14. Okay. I see. So 1 unit is $10. So you can just do the math. Now it's like 170 for a $370 gain. Okay. Or like for example here. Okay. I see. Now I understand. So like $40 per point. Is it the same as NQ? Like each tick is like 4 ticks is like 1 point, I guess. I think it's the same worldwide, right? Okay, let's see. So now I'm seeing RBS failure to manipulate to continue higher. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the catch up with like CL, bro. Let's see. So we're gonna go with one contract there. Probably I'll try to. Yeah, let's just hold it till here. Let's see if we're gonna get the CIC or not. Let's see. Love the back to session, G. Keep them coming. You're welcome, brother. Edison. So yeah, so far we don't have anything here, man. Yeah, like the best ideal setup. Still like on a 4 hour. Like is this? It's this move here. The draw close by, but there was like. Yeah, that's the IST. That's what I wanted to take, but it was a bit far away, man. If you guys on M, oh, there wasn't set up on M1. Okay, let's see if CL is gonna get the CIC or not. That's probably gonna be the trade for the day, probably last trade for the day. Yeah, because I don't take 2 trades. It's just now the fact that CL is really setting up cleanly. I'm okay with taking another L, like a small L. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. Just do it. Just do. Ah man. $380. That's gonna be good. So I'll be like, if this one wins, I'll be like down $200 for the day. And if I lose, I'll be like $700 for the day or something. That's good. Okay, no worries. Let's forget the closure. And seems like 4, 3, 2, 1. We're getting the closure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the limit here. Come on. CL. Remember. Wait, I'm going for $10, bro. I'm trying to go greedy for $10. Come on. That's so much. Okay, so potential on CL from the go. So come on. You could be big as Madonna, just get in a car, let's touch the road. Suck at our plans. See you get up early or work for the man. Well, I understand. Pull up and pulling up on you in 10. Already in 10. Big as Madonna, I'll say it again. As soon as you get in. Oh. What? 6. You guys gonna do the math. 3. Whatever this number is, multiply by 10. that's a lot of amount. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if CL is gonna reward us, bro. It's be like, oh, RBDG3. I'm CL. Let's see. And by the way, I like the trades that kind of just tag me in and go. These are my best winners. So, yeah, these are my best winners. I'm just gonna get the retracement. Boom. Hey. Come on. I'm not jinxing it. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Like, get my coffee ready. It's midnight, right? Yeah, it's midnight. So I'm getting my coffee ready, bro. While this trade is running, I'm gonna be back in like 2 minutes. Oh, what? Boys, that's gonna be it for this session, bro. Yeah, the market is just a bit fucked up. Holy, what the fuck? RB is now moving lower. Nowadays, bro. That's life. That's life. Holy. Where they get a two stage? Like, No, we did not. We did not have the SMT. Wait. What the fuck, bro? That's. Anyways, that it is what it is. Let me check. Wait, China. What is this? Oh, let me check. Love the access. Born in Asia. There's Morocco. This in China. We took the same trade. I saw 4 from Moroccan live stream since 20 days. One Moroccan who lives in China too, and now you. Oh, is Moroccan too? Same. Okay, good. I somehow knew he lives in China when I saw the time. Fuck. Bro, is Moroccan people like. Yeah, bro, the fight. I think the fight. This is time for the fight, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on with me, man? Holy. Wait, guys. Let's just show. Damn, bro, I'm down. Let me check. Like, probably like $700 for a day. Holy, I'm down 750. 858. I should have just taken that server loss, man. Called it a day. That 1K trade. Let me show you guys. I'm down minus 758. Wow. So I'm almost, yeah, I'm like down $100 for the week or something. Let me see what happens. So, like, by the time I entered, wait, let's review this trade live. I live in China too. What the fuck? Holy. Okay, so let me see what's going on here, bro. On 30 minutes, we had Tuesday. I was entering. Oh my god. Yeah, that was my mistake. That was my mistake, actually. I was literally entering with the idea of like having a 2-stage. Well, we don't even have a 1-stage, man. We don't even have a 1-stage here. Like, this one traded lower. I was anticipating like this to be a low. Look, already traded lower. Oh, no. Sorry. Here it is, okay. Nope, it's not. Take that off. CL, traded lower. Yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't have been a trade from the get-go, man. This was like an okay trade. This is like a shit trade. Have you ever tried Ian's approach? Nope. Wow, that's damn, bro. It's been a while since I took 2 L's. There's a lot to learn today, man. Getting back to the book. Look at RB, man. Look at RB. Let me see what's going on here. What is going on? So we're getting a... Not really. NQ. Wow, NQ ended up playing out. Yeah, it did. Did it? Yeah, if I entered on a CISD, but it stops here, there, yes. But if I put the stops on the body, it wouldn't. M15. C2 Tuesday. The PSP was a higher high. PSP was look. Oh, we had the 2-stage here. Interesting. Have you ever tried? Okay, if traded lower now, RB looks so good for short now. Yeah, bro, but I'm not gonna take any trades. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any more trades, man. I'm down already for the day, so just gonna go deep in the low pole. So I'll just probably might just call it a day here. Hmm. 20-minute, 3-minute. Like the only issue for that trade is this. Like we kind of traded into the gap before I get in. Like that's the only issue I see on that trade. So we kind of traded back into the gap, so we're like delivering from a gap. I would say like that's the only thing that I did wrong on that trade. But this CL, man, like I thought we're trading away from a 2-stage. I was like, oh, this is a 2-stage, but it was not. It's not even a 1-stage. If you really check, bullish. This one is bullish. This one also traded lower. Now this is a PSP. Now this is a PSP. So now you can trade this stage here if we get something. But when I entered, it was not. So that was my mistake. But thank God it was a lower risk trade. So. Let me see. How much trades did you take? I took 2, bro. 2 L's. Guys, let's like before you. Thanks, man. See Roger Banks' channel. He's live. And the one who's with him in the video is the one who bought a 275k watch. Check. Roger Banks. Roger Banks. Is Roger Banks live now? Nope, he's not. Let me check. Check. What's going on here? Let me check. What time frame is this? It is what it is. So it was an unfortunate day, man. So video premiere. Oh, okay. Let me check. Roger Banks. Top G trades. What is this, like a podcast, right? Bro. Okay, bro. Tempo don't. I don't understand, man. What the? Bro. I don't know if this like Hindi or what. Because it's from Pakistan. It's from Pakistan. You guys speak like people from Pakistan speak Urdu, right? So I don't know if that's like Urdu or what language is that. But it's really tough. It's really hard. Yup, I think I'm just gonna call it a day here, man. Come on, can we see the likes go to like 35? Come on, guys. Come on, we took like. Look, we're down $750. So we need at least 75 likes. Since we cannot, so we'll divide it by 2. It's like 36. Like 37. 37 likes. So we still need 10 likes. Come on. Come on, if you guys haven't liked live stream already, let's just go back. So we just came here. We got the goal of 1,500 subs. And just look at the beauty. We got to 1,500 subs, but we lost $750. If you multiply by 2, that's gonna give you the subs. Bro, I'm afraid by the time we'll get to 2k subs, I'll end up losing 1k. That's gonna be bad. So let's see. Video prepare speaking in Hindi. It's Pakistani language, Urdu. Let's even it off with like yeah, bro. Come on, can we take it 35 likes before we close the stream? So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day, bro. It is what it is. Just gonna take the L and move. I'm just gonna go ahead and journal this right now. Like literally after the stream, I'll just I'll probably just eat something and then get to the charts to journal this. So yep, losing somewhere, winning somewhere, losing somewhere, winning somewhere. And some stuff so much. Hey, it's not allowed to it's not allowed to free advertisement. Man. Send some so much channel. Man. Let's see, NQ. Looking at the 4 hour. Okay, let's try to see. Let's try to see what's going on here. What is this? Local app data. Let me play music again. Okay, so far what we got? Yeah, straight and below the low. We have this SMT here, holding. So we got this SMT here. SMT2. So looking on an hourly. Nah, that's shit. CL. Now looking at it, this oh my god. That's like a C2 forming the high 10 a.m. CISD, another CISD now. Respecting the gap. Another CISD. Probably gonna go to lows. But I was trading it with anticipation. This is gonna be C2, let me check. Come on, you actually sent some profit in. What do you think about CL? Long, so I took it 10 a.m. Bro, I took a CL long gonna get taken out, man. I don't know, you got in here, somewhere in here? Just kidding. No worries, man. I'm just having fun. Yeah, bro. I think there's nothing really for me to take. This 11. Are we gonna call it a day? 11. What do you guys think? We continue? Let me do something here really quickly. Let me do this. Wait, let me see what happened here. What time did I get taken out? It was 11. Okay. Q4 might provide something. I'm not sure, but let's just wait. But I'm not gonna take anything, bro. Most likely I'm not. 100% I'm not gonna take it. That's not most likely. I'm not gonna take anything. If I just do, I'll just journal the trade here while I'm on charge. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But wait, I need to fix some things on my phone. check. Okay, let me put my phone here. Q4 might provide some. Okay. Also, because it was you, I got the inspiration from it. What are you talking about, brother? Come on. What are you talking about, bro? I want like a million people to be live streaming on YouTube, bro. Come on. Like, nah, bro. Like, I would if are you live streaming now or not? I would be happy to help you push you, man. I'm still not there yet, but yeah, you saw it last time, so it's quite the opposite, man. Because I'm not benefiting from the live stream so far. I'm just here, just trying to provide value. I would be happy if you can provide value too, man. So it would be crazy. It would be really good if you can also provide value on live stream. That'd be really good. More people can learn. So, and especially you speak Indian, bro. So I don't know. You want to probably stream in English or also in Indian, so there will be like a big population there that are gonna learn from you. So if you can provide value, I'll be the first one who's gonna share you my stories, bro. Because I'm not here for to make money off of socials. So if it was like for money, then that would be another case. They're like, I'm free advertising my competitor, but it's not. So you don't have to worry. Look at CL. CL just wants to go to Lowe's now. Not using the TTFM? Nah, bro. Oh, chill, Mike. It's okay. Yeah, I know. Just saying. Yeah, streaming now. Took W and go. Nice, man. Nice, my brother. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the stream. Hope you guys see you tomorrow, and hopefully we can manage to make some money. All right. See you guys tomorrow. That's really it for me today. See you guys and take care.